Welcome to Willis Talk. We're here at Stereo King on Lancaster Drive, Salem, Oregon. Let's go in and see what they actually deal with. What kind of stereos? Custom, mobile, marine, cycle, and side X side. I have no idea what that one is. Security lights, and they even have a Facebook. And there's their hours. Monday through Saturday, 9 to 6. Let's go in and take a little gander at what they have. It looks like a lot of... You greeted me at the door. Hi. I'm in here just doing a review from Willis Talk, showing people around and about what we have here in Salem, kind of like Salem shops.
Okay, cool.
Very polite people. I have a few displays here. Nice boom boxes. I think these are... Yeah. There's the connections for that one. Hey, if anybody knows what one of these things are, put it down in the comment section down below. While you're at it, like and subscribe, and remember, let me know what you like to see in and around Salem. Ooh, I remember one of these. A noise room. Really does showcase the speakers, though. They have a huge selection of devices and speakers by the looks of it. And they got a couple here on the floor. While I'm showing my audience, do you guys also install any speakers? Or is this just a buy place?
No, we have a full facility, just a full custom installation bay.
Nice.
Yeah, window tints.
In case my viewers didn't hear that, they can install anything that they have here. They have a full customization bay to install it. So it's one-stop shopping for all your stereo needs. And they definitely have it. Got that display too. Huge, ain't it? And the cables, boxes and boxes of speakers. And look, some on sales and closeouts. Might want to check it out if you're looking for something. Well, that's the end of this episode of Willis Talk. I have a lot of boxes too. Like and subscribe and leave comments. Willis out.